Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to deliver tickets to buyer on Viagogo. The first thing you like to do is to open the Viagogo web app at viagogo.com and log in using your registered account credentials. Once logged in, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the homepage and you'll find the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select My Hub, and that's going to take you into the My Hub area. From the My Hub area, head over to the left navigation menu. You'll find a couple of tabs, including My Others, My Listings, My Sales, Payment, Settings, Wallets, down to View FAQs. Go ahead and click on My Listings. Now, this will show you all the tickets that you have listed for sale. From this page, find the ticket listing that has been purchased by a buyer and click on it to open the ticket details. Now, depending on the type of tickets you are selling, Viagogo offers several methods for delivering tickets to the buyer. One of the methods is the digital ticket. If you're selling e-tickets or mobile tickets, these will typically be delivered automatically to the buyer's email or through the Viagogo's platform. Make sure to upload the digital tickets if they are not automatically linked. The second option is the physical tickets. If the tickets are physical, you will need to send them via postal mail or carrier services, depending on the delivery options chosen during the listing process. If your tickets are digital, navigate to the My Listing section, which is here, and look for the option to upload or deliver the digital ticket. Click on the Upload Tickets button if applicable, then follow the instructions to upload the tickets directly to the Viagogo platform. Once uploaded, Viagogo will deliver the tickets to the buyer electronically. Now, if your tickets are physical, you will need to ship them to the buyer. Ensure that you have the correct shipping address provided by the buyer in the Viagogo system. Package the tickets securely and send them via the chosen shipping method. Make sure to track the shipment for verification. Also, after uploading digital tickets or sending the physical tickets, go to this My Listing section and mark the ticket as delivered. This confirms to Viagogo that you have completed the delivery process. Viagogo will notify the buyer once the tickets are delivered, either digitally or via physical shipment. And if you upload digital tickets, the buyer will receive them through email or within their Viagogo account. After successful delivery, the buyer should receive the ticket and your transaction will be marked as complete. So the funds from the sale will be transferred to your account after the tickets are delivered and the buyer confirms receipt. I'd like you to note a couple of things. Make sure to upload e-tickets or mobile tickets to Viagogo as soon as the sale is confirmed. This ensures the buyer receives the tickets promptly. For physical delivery, always keep proof of postage or tracking information for physical tickets to avoid disputes with the buyer. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.